People getting ready. They're loading up their floats, getting ready to go down St. Charles Street. And look at the big Mardi Gras beads on the tree. Somebody's having fun here. All right, let's get over to St. Charles Street right now and go up. Anybody see the movie Pelican Brief with Julia Roberts? My favorite high school is on my right. That's Sacred Heart High School for all girls. Look at this. That's a high school. You're in Uptown Garden District. Look at the house across the street with the carriage houses in the back. It's how it is here, guys. Look, you have to jack the stove up so the eggs are level. Not the building. Now, I've lived in these, and all the plumbing's underneath. My dad was a plumber for 45 years. I used to climb on them houses. It's our streetcars. They can't run today. They're stuck up here because of the parade till tomorrow. All right? Those streetcars on my left are from 1835. They're a national rolling landmark. Many movie stars been on them. Mardi Gras 6 weeks long. It kicks off on a streetcar. It's a $3 24-hour ticket. Now, these are typical. Let me let this car by. It's Mardi Gras. I'm going to show you the public library in a little bit. Typical New Orleans homes up here. Very wealthy homes. Also, look at the influence of the large federal columns for D.C. No Americans until after 1815 up in here when they believed in Louisiana Purchase. Clark Gable, 1939, the Terror House. Margaret Mitchell wrote the book, The Plaques on the Gate. That's your Terror House and Gone with the Wind right there. That's what that is. They filmed it right there. Where Pope Paul John stayed in 1987. Gave a speech out of the University of New Orleans, right there. That's Tulane University. The columns right there, that was the entrance for the 1884 World's Fair. They brought the Liberty Bell down here in 1884 by train and it displayed it in this park with the crack in it. Off these live oak trees out here. Spanish moss is what you stuff your pillows and your mattresses back in the day. That's why Mama put you to bed and said don't let the bed bugs bite from back in the day here. Now there's a gondola in this water right here to my right. I'm going to show you a little bit. This is our family park. We celebrate Mother's Day, Father's Day out here. A man will rent that gondola, get the ring, the table, and champagne, and ask his lady to marry him in that gondola right there in this park. We have a chime tree we get married in this park. We got a carousel out here in a coliseum we get married at. I did a wedding in this museum about 2 months ago with 5 large passenger limo buses. They got married in there. You know what it must cost to get married at the Museum of Art? It had to be $100,000. I'll be right out here. About 20, 30 minutes, guys. Look at your watch. They're going to put the polish down. They're going to walk about 6 blocks. But when you get back to the quarter now, I can get in the back of the quarter where I picked up Penelope. But the parades are going to be coming right in there when we get down.
I rent some homes, so it's not too shabby. So,
I guess. I don't know.
I will probably
235 degrees. It's a process in there. The body will return to ash. They'll take a broom and they'll shove the ashes down and shoot down at the camera. Anybody remember the thing I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole? That's the pole. The 10-foot pole right here. Today, to put a body in a box, in a bag, unembalmed, put it in your family tomb, wait for the process of 1 year, 1 day to go up in this place. The best musicians in town would be playing here. Checkpoint Charlie, Vasta Maison, Bamboozle, Snug Harbor, the Blue Nile, the DBA Bar, the Ramble Bar, the Café Negril, and the Spotted Cat. They're all down in there, Dat Dog. This is it right in here, guys. And Bamboozle, I like on the left. This is where you want to be for music tonight, and Bark is going to come through here all the way up to Cater Street. I believe they're going to line up back in here. But now look, here comes Café Negril on my left. It's my favorite. I love eating at Dat Dog. There's a good coffee shops and restaurants in here. Spotted Cat's down here. The Apple Bar's down here. Adolfo's Italian restaurants over here on the right. That's Dat Dog. They're great. This is my favorite club. I love Café Negril. No cover. That's large. I love Café Negril. Now look, here's the DBA Bar. I'm on Royal Street. Okay? You come down the river along Decatur Street by Jackson Square, by Andrew Jackson, by Joni on the Pony. There's the flea market, the I know that place is good, but damn. Whoa, that hamburger's better than I thought. Look, after Katrina, he did Benjamin Button. Will Smith did on my right. Every one of these buildings on the right. This is These were all Civil War hospitals right here. All the these were Civil War hospitals right here. This is called the Rue Saluru. And look, here's the Court of Two Sisters. Look inside their restaurant. Look at the chandeliers. Done this, what's the date on? 1838 or something?
1832.
Yeah, look at that. It's gorgeous in there.